this is how you get 50 pips every day from the market using this process. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We're on a mission to reach 1,000 subscribers. Join the team. Let's jump into the video. All right. Step number 1, identify a thesis. The thesis coming to the screen on that day. So my process is simple. Monday sets the high and the low of the week. Tuesday, I'm looking for Tuesday. How does Tuesday close in relation to Monday's high? Price breaks out and closes back inside of the range. We have a failed breakout. So coming to the screen on Wednesday, I would be looking to sell high. But if you look at how this closed, we never got any sales on Wednesday. Price continued breaking out. So this is the new high of the week. How did Wednesday close in relation to the high of the week? Price broke out and closed outside of our range. What does that mean? It means that on Thursday, coming to the screen, I would be looking to buy low. So now we have a thesis in place, right? So what is the entry process? I come to the screen at 9:15 because I trade from 9:30 to 11 a.m. Let's look at what happens. So that is 9:30. At 9:30, I go to the 3-minute time frame and I am looking for the most recent high and the most recent low prior to 9:30. So before 9:30 even opens, I'm looking for my most recent high, most recent low. And if you look at what is happening here, we are in this uptrend. Price is creating higher highs and higher lows. So that becomes our most recent high clearly. And that becomes our most recent low. So at 9:30, what happens? So price breaks out to the low, but also breaks structure to the upside, right? So that is what I want to see. Once we have a most recent high and most recent low, I'm looking for a break in structure. And this is the break in structure. Once we have the break in structure, then I'll be looking for 3 pushes into this area here. So this is the first push. So I'd be looking for something like this. 1 push, 2 push, 3 pushes, and then look for an entry to go long. Price gives us our first push there. This small red candle is the second push. So price went down. That is the first push down, went up. Second push down, went up. This one candle here, this is the beginning of the third push, price trying to go down. This is where I go to the 1-minute time frame. And in the 1-minute time frame, I am looking for an opportunity to go long by looking at an engulfment candle. And that engulfment candle is very, very specific. I want that engulfment candle to engulf, I want to see 3 or more consecutive candles so that I can be sure that engulfment candle is valid. All right. So I'm looking for 3 pushes or 3 candles or more with an engulfment candle. And that, boom, we have 3 pushes to the downside and an engulfment candle at 10:15. So this was my entry going long. And then my stops were there 30 pips and my take profit was 60 pips and price did its thing and eventually hit TP. So that is the process. Now I said you can use this strategy daily. So what if it's Monday or Tuesday? What do you do? So right now, if you look at the thesis, The thesis is that now we are buying. Now, so now this is the high of the week. Today being Friday, if price closes back inside of the range as a failed breakout, then that means the thesis has changed, and I would be looking for an opportunity to sell on Monday and Tuesday possibly. But if price breaks out again, so today on Friday we've already broken out, if price does not close inside of this range and closes outside of the high of the week, then coming to the screen on Monday, I would be looking to continue buying low. So let me show you a live example from last week. So if you look at last week, Monday set the high and the low of the week. And then look at Tuesday. Tuesday breaks out, closes back inside of the range. Now our thesis is that we are selling high. On Wednesday, we sell high, price continues selling. On Thursday, unless now we broke out of the low of the week, we are still selling on Thursday. And price broke out and closed outside of the weekly range. Meaning, our thesis is continue selling on Thursday. Now, this is the new low of the week. On Thursday, price breaks out again and closes outside of the range of the week. That means I continue selling on Friday. And the same thing. So Monday I would be looking to continue to sell. Now that Monday now gives us a new high and low. Tuesday I would still continue selling. But now at the back of my mind I know Monday and Tuesday set the high and the low of the week, and they set the bias of the week. So if you got value from today's video, subscribe. I have a free mentorship program, link in the description. Check it out, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.